Hangzhou Zhengdian Technology Company Ltd. Was established in 2008, is a professional manufacturer engaged in the research, development, production, sale, and service of wireless remote control system, including RF remote control and IR remote control system. We are located in Hangzhou City with convenient transportation access. Our production is semi-automatic, like we've got 3 SMT machines, 1 SMT reflow oven, 3 production lines, and 4 shield rooms for debugging. We are one of the most capable factories of remote control products in China. We focus on the innovation of design and quality improvement, and we have rich experience in the field of remote control. We mainly produces wireless remote control, remote duplicator, wireless module, tubular motor controller system, shutter door remote control system, barrier control system, electronic curtains remote control system, adjustable speed fan remote control system, LED light remote control system, and other types of remote control products. We have 8 years of sales experience, 8 years of export experience in OEM and ODM, providing solutions to customers without a failure. We have a professional technical development team, 1% of the failure rate, defective rate. Also, we have got CE, ROHS certification. Welcome to join us and cooperate together.
Welcome to join Zhejiang.